So I'm doing some upper control arms on my 2013 200 series and having a bit of trouble getting the driver's side through bolt out. There's a few bits missing on the steps I saw on the YouTube. So first thing we got to do is pull out this air duct. It's just a matter of grabbing these little pins here, pushing the centre down. Just watch it don't go flying. That'll release them. Just pop them out like so, ready to go back in. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. Alright, the reason we want to take this air deflector, whatever it's called, the reason we want this off is because we want to pop these batteries out. Both sides, just set 2 12mm nuts there, 12mm bolt. Same on each side. Mine's 10mm for the battery terminals. I don't know, there's a million different ideas on the YouTubes. I've always been told to take off the negatives first and put them on last. So, and pop your battery out. And the reason you want to do that is because to remove this upper control arm here, this here, there is a pin that pushes through from the front, and that's the back of it. It's about, I don't know, 40 centimetres long. This bad boy here, it's on the boost pipe. This pipe was pretty glued to this hose was pretty glued to the pipe over the years, and the hose clamp was damaged coming off. So before you do this job, I recommend grabbing a spare hose clamp. There's a 12mm bolt or 12mm ratchet required to remove this bolt, which can get the solid section of pipe out of the way to clear the bolt. But let's see if we can find it. This here holds the negative cable on the driver's side battery. Once you remove the battery, it's just a case of lifting this little clip, and it then slides off of this little holder device, which, as you can see, is still in the way. Just pop this little holder off. Looks like a 10mm socket. Once that comes off, we should be able to manoeuvre this boost pipe forward and across and get that bolt out. Okay, with everything loose, I'm just going to gently guide this boost pipe forward and in front of its holder bracket. That'll get us the clearance. Oh, there's another thing here. So yeah, this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. If you lift that tab and push back, the clamp slides off the assembly. So we should be able to now gently, I'm not putting much effort into this at all, guide that boost pipe forward. Kind of want to keep the hose on the pipe so no dirt and crud gets in there. And with all the wiring out of the way, we should be able to, you can see it's still bumping the boost pipe. We should be able to gently guide that bolt forwards. Let's have a look at it from the top. Just hitting the cooler pipe lines there. It doesn't have to come much further. You know, I'm not going after this really hard. I'm being pretty gentle. I don't want to damage anything, but also I don't want to take oil lines off if I can prevent it. And there is enough gap there. There we go. No point me doing the rest of the job. The other boys have got that pretty well covered. So, passenger side, there's a 12mm bolt on the coil tower, which holds a little hose bracket. Pop that off. You can use a little screwdriver on the inner two clips to release the outer two pipes, and then the inner pipe comes off. There's another one down here. Sorry, the light's really dark. And on this side, I didn't have to do it on the other side to get access with my torque ratchet in there. I'm going to just use a 12mm spanner to pop that off and get a bit more movement from this brake assembly so I don't damage it. These covers, you can see here the white rings, they've just got two little ears that stick out, so if you can reach around behind them and just pop one at a time with a bit of tension on, they'll come out. Easier said than done. Alright, this side's not as bad as the driver's side. As far as clearance, boost pipe had to come off over there. As you'll see, either have already or will see, depending how I put this video together. But let's see if we can get some light down here. You can just see a blue clip there and a little nut behind it and a washer, and that is the front of the assembly we're trying to move. So this clip will just lift him forwards and up, and hopefully that's all we have to take off to free this cable up. And with any luck we should have a clear path there to bring that bolt forward once it's ready to come out. Of course, it's not all easy on this side. The nut's going to be harder to get off, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so we use the 12mm spanner to get this bad boy off, just at the end of the brake line there. And that pops out, and yes, we've got a lot more room here. And hopefully these guys float out of the way a bit better. Let's have a look. It's a fiddly fit, as you can see. And no, these bad boys are not going to float out of the way. I'll keep digging and let you know what I find. Okay, I was able to, where are we? There's a little white plastic clip there that holds these hose connectors or pipe duvlackies in there. As you can see, I was able to lever that across, which gave me enough room to move those pipes over to get my spinner in. Alright, don't make the mistake I just made, which is to lose control of that bolt, and now it's in there somewhere, God knows where. Hopefully I can get it with a magnet. But I've been able to push the bolt back, as you can see. It's gotten dark on me because I thought this was going to be a 30-minute job, 40-minute job. The videos I saw on YouTube didn't really elaborate on this stuff, which is why I am making this video, to try and help anyone who has the same drama I did. Alright, so we were able to move or unattach that cable mount before. Let's see if it gave us enough room to get the bolt out. Geez, they're fiddly. We're almost across there now. It looks like it's going to be okay. There you go. Just have to slide the washer back. Oh, it's down by my finger there as you pull the bolt out, because it will wedge. If we keep it back close to the control arm, it should be okay. Now I've already lost me nut down the back. Try not to do the same thing with this washer. There really is only just enough room. Okay. My God, there is only just enough room. Alright, bolts out. I've been able to keep an eye on the washer. It's just down there above the control arm. Let's go and have a look at it down this side. Yep, easy enough to grab. As I said, there's a couple other videos. The Project 200 bloke's got all the torque specifications. Great at videos, as you can tell I'm not, so I won't try and replicate that. I just thought I'd show my tricks that I've used to get access to these bolts that I didn't see. Cheers.